guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit is a full-on frontal unit. She's a 13x4 water wave unit. This is what she's looking like straight out of the box. A very fluffy but also very lightweight feeling, which is letting me know this is one of those ones that's good for both the spring and the summertime. They're offering this unit in 16 inches all the way down to 30 inches. One of these days I'm gonna get my hands on like a curly 30-inch unit, but in the meantime, in between time, just know that this one is 24 inches in length. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with a silicone strip in the nape of the neck to help attach to the neck, you know, so to keep the unit, what's the word I'm looking for, in place a little bit better. There we go. It also comes with a drawstring in the back. I love me a good old drawstring, child. Then it also comes with loops to where you can attach a security band if you choose to do so. Personally, I won't be using one though. When it comes to the lace on this unit, she is a 13x4, meaning you are gonna get 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. You can also tell that this unit has or does come with pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knot. Just a second ago, I was saying how lightweight this unit feels, and I looked on the website and it's showing that she is 180% density, which is about 30% more density in comparison to LuvMe Hair's standard 150. I feel like if this unit was 150% density, she might be like too light and too thin. So I feel like this is perfect. I keep running my fingers through the hair to see if I'm getting any type of shedding, and so far this is pretty much all that I've gotten, which is like a very, very little, but I guess let's see if we get any more when I install the unit.
What have you become? What have you become? That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was jealous, like I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. That you doing too much and you don't go. And I know you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. I trying to get a reaction. I am a child, so I cannot be touched. Yeah, so you be good and you want it bad and you need it. I don't want to be feeling dead, so I said that I was needed. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking out that tough shit, you think you gon' go down.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Typically, I like to go ahead and start off with my cons first, but y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I have no cons when it comes to this unit, like zero, zip, zilch, nothing, nada bad to say about this unit. Matter of fact, go ahead and get your coins together so you can purchase this unit. And if you choose to purchase this unit and you want to save a little bit of coin, go ahead and use my discount code TANWilliams. That'll save you 28% off of their entire website. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and move into my pros for this unit. My first pro about this unit is that she is straight out of the box. Like, as far as the curl pattern is concerned, she is literally straight out of the box. And most of the time, I like to go back in and redefine my curls. I want to use some water, I want to use some conditioner, I want to use some a lot of body lotion, mousse lotion, whatever, a lot of body. If you know, you know. I like to go in and do that whenever I have a curly unit. With this unit, I did not do any of that whatsoever. I feel like it's very rare that I actually like the curl pattern whenever a unit comes straight out of the box. Like, I like the curl pattern, should I say, but I more so want it more defined. That's what it is. I be wanting it more defined. With this unit, that wasn't the case. I felt like it was defined nicely. I felt like whenever I kept running through my fingers and making it like a little bit bigger and frizzier, it was still looking good to me. Like, I I'm surprised. I feel like when the hair looks like this, it just gives a very natural curly girl type look. Like I don't know, I just really like you. Another pro about the unit is that it already came slightly layered. Now again, I like to go in and layer up my curly units, you know, so it can frame the face a little bit better, a little bit nicer. Girl, I can't talk. What's new? Anywho, I feel like it just goes in a nice diagonal type of way, and I didn't have to do anything. Like, I didn't have to do any cutting or anything, so that's less work on my part. So again, another pro. Now I did have to go in with my hot comb and like flatten out the top so it didn't give too much of a curly wiggy look. If you know, you know, but I mean, hey, I wasn't mad about that either. Another pro about this unit is, of course, the lace. It is melted, or it has been melted so nicely, and it looks so good. And on top of that, no matter where I part the unit, it's still giving scalp, not just in the middle, but no matter where I parted it. Another pro about this unit is how versatile she is. As you guys saw earlier, and as I mentioned earlier, she is a 13x4, so therefore you are able to part this unit wherever you want to. Then you can also create all types of cute designs at the top if you want to as well. On top of that, you can also do, you know, a half up, half down. You can wear it in a ponytail, you can wear it in a hot bun, you know, whatever floats your boat. My last pro about this unit is the fact that she is a big head friendly, which, you know, I absolutely love. This is so random, but I wish I was one of those people who was able to like sleep in their wigs, because I have somewhere I need to be tomorrow, and I need to be there early in the morning, and like, I guess I'm just gonna have to get up a little bit earlier in the morning because I'm reinstalling this wig. Like, I'm wearing her tomorrow. Like, she's just so cute. Like, I got to, yeah. But anywho, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at TanWilliams_XO. I'll make sure to leave them both linked down in the description box below, along with a direct link to this unit as well in the description box below. But yeah, other than that, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.